Hi students, so myself Dr. Biranda. So I am lecturer in chemistry. So today I am going to discuss about in the alkenes chapter. So one of the important topic for IIT mains and GE, hydroboration reaction, hydroboration or hydroxylation reaction. Also sometimes it's also called as hydroxylation reaction. So in one more concept is mercuration and demercuration. Okay, so what is the difference between hydroboration or reaction and means demercuration reaction? So first of all, what is hydroboration? So I am taking one general example, alkene. This is the alkene. So this alkene reacts with BH3 in THF, tetrahydrofuran, so one reactant, and another one is, so in the presence of H2O, hydrogen peroxide and OH minus as a base. These are reacts with alkene, so formation of less substituted alkyl is the major part, less substituted alcohol. So less substituted alcohol means primary alcohol is the major product, and this is the secondary alcohol is the minor product. This is major. This is major alcohol. This is the minor product. Minor product. So we are going to discuss about only major. So how to form minor? So my major product only primary alcohol means. So in this mechanism, before going to mechanism, so I am discussed about reaction of hydrogen bromide HBr. So in this HBr, H carries positive charge and bromine carries negative charge because of bromine is the more electronegative. So here this is secondary. When the bromide ion will attack, definitely this one, because and H will attack this one. So formation of 2-bromopropene is the major product, but here primary is the major. So why? Because of, to observe this in this mechanism of hydroboration reaction, BH3 can be written as HBH. To observe this HBH2, the boron is positive compared to hydrogen. Okay, so this is the negative, more electronegativity. So therefore, so here the hydrogen ion will attack of secondary carbocation. The BH2 will attack this one. So formation of so BH2. This is the product. Again, it reacts with another alkyl because of 2 hydrogens are there. Again, this will react with another alkene. Formation of another boron and again BH. Okay. Again, this will react with again alkene. This alkene again will react BH. So formation of trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane is the product. Trialkyl borane. So this trialkyl borane reacts with hydrogen peroxide. So to observe this hydrogen peroxide, HOH, it reacts with OH minus and base. So it will attack. So shifted to adjacent atom. So formation of HO minus plus H2O. This OH minus will attack bromine. So boron. So formation of boron. So here OH. Okay. So to observe this in this mechanism of boron, this carries positive charge, this carries negative partially. So this will attack. So automatically this is the leaving group. Again, so formation of boron, trialkyl boron. So with oxygen. With oxygen. Okay. So again this will attack of OH minus. So formation of boron. So automatically, so this will OH plus O minus this one. This will attack of water H2O. In this H2O, H plus OH minus. Okay, H will learn. So the main product is, this is the major product. This is the major product. So this is the mechanism of hydroboration oxidation reaction. So in the presence of alkene, so reacts with BH3 and THF tetrahydrofuran, and the second reactant is H2O and H2O2 OH minus. So mainly formation of product is less substituted alkene, means primary alcohol is the major product compared to secondary. So this is the mechanism with hydroboration reaction. Okay, so next, so in this reaction, which type of questions are asking in previous years? Mainly hydroboration reactions. To observe this, before going to these examples, the mainly less substituted alcohol is the major product, more substituted alcohol is the minor product in hydroboration. This is the one of the reactant. This will react with BH3 and next THF, BH3, THF, tetrahydrofuran, and second one is H2O, H2O2 or H2O on basic medium for formation of product. And next, this is the one of the reactant. And one more is this one. And next, okay. So first we will discuss that one. So in hydroboration reaction mainly takes place cis addition reaction. Cis addition reaction mainly occurs this type of reactants. So first of all, first to observe this one. So in this alkene, this is the more substituted alkene, more substituted alkene. This is less substituted. So less substituted alkene. So when BH2 will attack mainly in hydroboration reaction, less substituted. So finally product formation, less substituted alcohol. So this is the major product. Okay, so again here this is the more substituent, this is the less substituent. So less substituent alcohol is the major product. Here also this is the more substituted, this is less substituted, less. So this is the major product. So here in hydroboration reaction mainly takes place on cis addition. Hydroboration reactions, hydroboration reactions are cis addition reaction. To observe this in this example, this is the more substituted, means BH2 will attack here and oxidation takes place at less substituted alkene. So formation of product is two types. So this is the only one here. For example, in the stereochemistry, here hydrogen, so here OH will take place. So this is the cis formation. Or both are same, but it is shown in thick lines, which means so it's dashed lines H and H. So this is cis addition. So hydroboration reactions are mainly takes place at cis addition. See here also, say for example, this is the reactant. This reactant will attack Let's substitute. So formation of H and next OH. So this is the major product. And one more is, for example, if the reactant is benzene is attached to this one, it reacts with BH3 in THF1, and second one is H2O, H2O2 and H2O and OH minus. So predict the product. And one more is, for example, this is the one of the alkene. So same reagent. So solve these two examples, students. So this is the hydroboration reaction. So keep in mind, what simple trick is, in hydroboration reaction takes place at less substituted. Means less substituted is the major product. Primary among primary, secondary. Primary is the major product. Among secondary, tertiary. Secondary is the major product. So oxidation takes place at less substituted. So this is hydroboration reaction. It is very important for IIT mains and JEE. Okay, and NEET also. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe my channel, Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT JEE and NEET Academy. So